Hello, welcome, I am Tobias Schwickert. I am the team leader responsible for spare parts and repairs in product line 3 at AERZEN. Today we are here at Solvay in Bernburg and we are carrying out an overhaul on a screw compressor. The compressor is located in the soda production facility, here at the site, and forms the heart of the plant. But where there is work, there is also wear and tear. With this, you are in good hands. Our AERZEN service team acts quickly, competently, and in a goal-oriented manner. The service technicians are excellently trained and specialized in getting your machines back into tough day-to-day operation in the shortest possible time.
An overhaul carried out by AERZEN has advantages because we can draw on our in-house experience.
My colleagues and I know your blowers and compressors inside and out and can therefore always work very efficiently. We have decades of experience, are passionate about what we do, and also know the specific requirements of our customers on site. For you, this means safety and fast processing. Because downtime means more costs for you. To prevent this from happening in the first place, rely on our quality and expertise.
Our colleagues and employees can benefit from this. They can simply learn with AERZEN. Our apprentices, and our experienced ones, our engineers, they are constantly learning from the employees at AERZEN.
With this, you get the experience and know-how directly from the manufacturer.
We are where your machines are. Our network of service centers, decentralized service hubs, and over 50 foreign subsidiaries guarantees short response times. Our on-site services include overhauls, commissioning, inspections, servicing, repair and maintenance work.
We have a common goal, and it is to avoid long downtimes and unplanned work right from the beginning.
AERZEN has more than 160 years of experience and accompanies you throughout the entire life cycle of your machine. We know your industry, your processes, and your applications. For each problem, we have the right solution. Our qualified engineers are always available to provide you with expert advice and are happy to assist you.
Expect performance.